Alright, for some reason, my mic was cutting in and out during the entire recording. So, if you don't want to listen to that, you can go ahead and join my Discord server, and I've got the model all set up in there. And if you want, there's a script, and I can help you through scripting it as well. So, I guess my apologies, but if you want to watch it, go ahead and watch it, please. Helps. Anyways, enjoy the video. Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deathmatch, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a item selector picker-upper thing, such as in Jailbreak. So, as I'm showing you right now, when you go into the prison, there's a shotgun or a pistol, and you can only select one if you're part of a team. So if you're a prisoner, you cannot pick up the shotgun from the police, or if you're a police, you cannot pick up a like M4 or something from the prison base. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. So, to start, I have a little setting all set up. I've just got a little island, whatever, and as you see, I've got a table right here, and this is where we're going to be putting our items. So I've gone through and already selected some items. I have chosen a handgun and a classic sword. They do need to be tools, though. That is highly suggested, I guess. And I'm actually going to just start off by putting it right into replicated storage. And since I'm not going to be doing much else with this game, I'm not going to put it in a folder or anything. But if you are, I would suggest that you put it into a folder. Keeps it much more organized, and you can access it much more easily. Alright, so now that we have that done, I'm going to go ahead and grab the handle of the classic sword, and we're going to toss it right in to the workspace. So I did Control C, and we'll do Control V right there. Alright, now go ahead and set it up so it's nice and flat on the desk if that's the way you'd like it. If it's not, then whatever. But as soon as I get this all set up, I think this one was a little bit more difficult to do. Okay, so now that I have the sword handle all set up, I'm going to go over and just grab the pistol as well, just because then it's going to be easier in the long run. So Control C and Control Shift V, and I'll be right back. Okay, so once you have your weapons items set up on the table, go ahead and grab a part, a block in that matter, and sometimes it will just align nicely as you saw right there. It's pretty nice. Doesn't need to be perfect unless like you really want it to be perfect. If you're having several items in a row, it might be really nice to have it nice and perfect. Anyways, we're going to make that transparency to 1, and we'll go ahead and name this gun button, and I'll do the same thing for the sword, so I'll be right back. Okay, so now you can see that I have a sword button all set up. We're going to go ahead and put the handles into the correct buttons. There we go, just so it stays nice, and make sure that they're anchored too. That's very important. Right there, and we'll toss that right there as well. Next, let's go ahead and add a click detector to both of them. So a click detector, and we'll toss a script in there. It's right there. Go ahead, delete that real quick, and we'll paste it into the same button. There we go. All right, now let's go ahead and start editing the script. And I do have a Discord channel where you can go to the link below and go to my Discord, and you will find a channel that has all my scripts and all my models. So if you don't really want to type this out, follow along, I get you. It's kind of boring. So you can go over to my Discord channel. You gotta be there for about 10 minutes before you have access to it, I do believe. And go ahead, take them. I'm just fine with that. As long as you hang around on that Discord channel, we'd be more than willing to help you over there. It's a great community. Anyways, let's get right into the scripting. So to start, let's go ahead and type function, my function, parentheses, player. There we go. And I like my spacing just because it stays nice and organized. Local backpack equals player dot backpack. Local find gun equals player dot backpack colon find first child handgun. There we go. And if player dot team equals game dot teams. Now this is going to be where you put your team. My team right now is going to be called Gunslinger. Then if find gun isn't equal to nil, then local clone equals game dot replicated storage dot handgun colon clone. Oh, parentheses. There we go. And clone dot parent equals backpack. Next, we are going to want to type script dot parent dot click detector dot mouse click colon connect my function. Alright, now we're going to just go ahead and copy this, and I'll delete that quick, and we'll paste it right in here, and let's just change a few things. So this is going to be a classic sword. This is going to be the sword master, and this is going to be a classic sword. So one quick thing that I did forget to do is I had this as isn't equal to. It actually is equal to. My apologies. Anyways, let's go ahead and jump right on in. As we'll see, my player, I am on the Gunslinger team. We go over, and that should mean that we cannot pick up the sword. We cannot. And if we try to pick up the gun, yes we can. And there we go. Nice and loud for some reason. Anyways, if we go over here and we decide to change our team to the Sword Master, I'm going to clear our inventory real quick, and that should mean that we cannot pick up the gun. We cannot. But if we try to pick up the sword, there we go. We have the sword. It's still horrendously loud. Oh my goodness. And I'll clear this. And if I switch to Warden, then that should mean that I cannot pick up any. So I can't pick up the sword, and I cannot pick up the gun. Anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. Means the world to me. If you'd like some help, if you'd like some access to the scripts, go ahead and join the Discord, which is in the link below. Anyways, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. Please have a great day.